Gen 1 T-Bird here at Unique Specialty and Classics to take a look at. It's a 1955 Ford Thunderbird convertible with hardtop. 292 Y block underneath the hood. Also very nicely equipped power steering and power brakes. Automatic, as you can see, wire wheels, wide white wall radials. Original power window and power seat car. Let's take a look at the front chrome. Grill, bright work up front. There's actually a folder of receipts on this car. Previous owner stated over $100,000 invested on the restoration. When it was done, there's also a few manuals that'll go along with it. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see every angle of the car, underside, interior, engine bay, you're going to see the miscellaneous things in the still pictures I'm talking about that'll go with it. There'll be pictures with the top on. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website where all the pics are. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Original R paint code, so torch red. And as you can see, the paint shows well. Are you going to find a few spots where there's maybe been a little bit of touch up? Yes. Overall, you can see it has a nice shine to it. Red and white interior, which would be a trim code of B, which red and white B trim code also tells you that this was an early produced 55 T-Bird. Speaking early production, there was actually 3,500 orders placed in the first 10 days it was available to order these. Fender skirts, as you can also see. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. There's that bench seat and of course the shifter on the floor. Very stock looking interior. Now when you ordered these back in 1955, the hardtop came with them. It was actually standard, and the soft tops were an option. This particular one, hardtop only. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it REMA. Exhaust exiting through the bumper guards. That's the way they were produced back in 55. Soft top is here. You can see the headliner in it. The stand does not come with it. That's ours for demonstration purposes only. And when we take them off and do pictures and videos, you can see right there would be the manual and all the miscellaneous receipts. So that will be included with it also. And remember, UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Recent service work done on this vehicle. Pinion seal has been replaced. Front and rear shocks are new. Lower control arm bushings are new. All 4 wheel cylinders. Brake shoes, brake hoses, power steering hose, slave cylinder. So a lot of recent service work done to this car. As we take a look down the driver's side. And again, you can see the paint shows well. Let's take a closer look at this interior. Power windows, mentioned that earlier, and I'll roll those up when I put the hardtop on so you can see how they fit. Power seat. New carpeting. No rips, tears, holes in the upholstery. Let's go ahead and fire this one up so we can see how it sounds. And we'll take a peek underneath the hood too. I'm going to have to make sure it does have a battery disconnect on the battery. I'm in neutral. Let me click that on here a second quick and I will fire this up. Here it said battery connection I'm talking about. So there's a disconnect on the battery for when it's in storage or maybe in between drives. All right, now we have power. Tack is working over here. Fuel gauge came up some. Look at this. Looks like the clock's even working. Dash light. I've not really played around with the radio much. You can take it out for a drive and check that out. Top of the dash. slip around to the back so you hear this run. Sounds good, I guess, as you'd expect. You got 292 wide block. And power steering and power brakes. You don't always see that on these early T-Birds. Chrome spoke wheels. That is not a wheel cover. And let's look at this engine bay. Nice and clean and tidy. Again, power brakes. Doesn't look like that boosted master cylinder is that old either. Power steering. Let me get a little assistance and we'll get the hard top on here and we'll check that out. Then remember, stick around to the very end of the video. We're going to take this car for a drive so you can see how it dries out, kind of take you for a virtual ride if you will. And the hard top on. Nice fit above the windshield. Painted to match, red on red. Now, of course, the 55, this will be the correct top for the 55. Porthole didn't come till later. Rear window, good shape. If you notice, I also rolled up the side window there so you can see. Decent fit on the side windows. Gaskets look good on the bottom. And the passenger side. Nice fit with the side window again. Haven't really noticed any major scratches or dings or nicks or anything on it. Hard top looks good. 1955 Ford Thunderbird. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1955 Ford Thunderbird. Classic red. We have a red and white interior with the chrome accents. Looks very good. Smooth running Thunderbird. Very nice ride from this car on the highway. The steering wheel is clocked a little to the left. That doesn't affect the performance at all. I am impressed by the smooth ride on the highway. Such a small car. Our speedometer is working. The coolant gauge does not have a needle that I can see. The fuel gauge is right in the middle at half. Our factory tachometer over on the left side here. Very cool, and it works. The clock on this side, the minute hand is also moving and the second hand is ticking. Condition, carpet, seats, dash. Factory looking bench seat in this car. Brakes are working well. This is of course a convertible and we do have the hardtop on right now.